త్రాడు tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta solve tan ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే a ఇది b a b tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan b. ఇప్పుడు tan a plus b అంటే tan pi by 4 plus theta tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. దీని బదులు ఇక్కడ రెండో ఫార్ములా tan pi by 4 minus theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. ఈ రెండు tan pi by 4 tan pi by 4 equal to 45 1 అంటే 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 1 అంటే tan theta 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta 1 plus tan theta 1 into 1 that equal to 1 equal to